Ever dreamt of making money in your sleep? What if I told you you've got a 24/7 hustler ready to work for you, and it doesn't even need coffee breaks? Imagine you've got a buddy. Let's call them Bot-tany. Now, Bot-tany isn't like your average friend. Nope, Bot-tany is an AI chatbot, and let me tell you, they're the MVP of making your life a whole lot easier and your wallet a lot thicker. First off, Bot-tany works round the clock, 24/7, no days off. While you're dreaming of beaches and sunny skies, Bot-tany's here closing deals and answering questions like it's nobody's business. And training Bot-tany, it's like teaching a super smart parrot to talk. You give it the lowdown on your products and bam! It's ready to chat up a storm with your customers, providing them with all the info they need. But here's the kicker. Bot-tany isn't just about saving you time, it's about making you money. By handling inquiries and sealing deals even when you're off the clock, it's like having a sales team that never sleeps. So what are you waiting for? Give Bot-tany a chance to show you what it's made of. Slide into my DMs to learn how to get your own money-making chatbot, or click on the link in the description. Let's make those dreams a reality